Hey everybody, welcome to Thread Tech Tuesday. Today we are going to look at the buttonhole stitch. A lot of people use the buttonhole stitch and the blanket stitch interchangeably, and they're very, very similar. There's one difference though. Hopefully you can see this on your monitors. The blanket stitch, sorry, let me start that over. The buttonhole stitch adds this little extra little purl. So it's kind of like an extra knot. So when you're making an actual buttonhole, this is making the inside edge very secure for your buttonhole. And you can kind of see it on this one, my kind of funky squared off circle, that the inside where I was stitching from is raised up. So it's got this lovely little fine edge. And so you work it a little bit differently. Get this thread going. All right, so I've got my knot in the back and I came up. So instead of working like this, with how you would with a traditional blanket stitch, you're going to work this direction. And I'm going to do these fairly spaced out so you can see how the stitch actually goes. So then I'm going to pull this thread up and under the needle and hold it with my thumb. Pull the thread this way and then pull it down, and it really locks in nicely that little extra little purl. And I'll do these fairly spaced out so you can see. In some ways I think it's a little easier to manage the it just feels easier to me to make them more consistent in size than the blanket stitch, because instead of sewing this way, you're sewing this way. That's just me though. I mean, not just so it looks like that, and then you pull it down and you get that extra little lock there. It does take a little bit of getting used to because of the way you have to grab this thread, throw it over under, and then pull it down. But I think it adds a really nice just that extra little knot there, I think is lovely. Adds a nice little dimension. And you do get into a rhythm with it pretty easily. I've been out of town teaching at Art and Souls, and so it's a little late and I'm a little bit tired. But I wanted to get this to you today, so hold that, pull it down, and then pull it down here. And sometimes, see, this was a little bit wonky. It'll just straighten out. Use your needle to straighten out. And of course, when you're closer together, you don't notice. So give the buttonhole stitch a try. Next week I will have just a couple variations, but here obviously you see that I did it with a variegated thread, and I did it fairly close together, super close together, as if you were doing a buttonhole. And then I was attempting a circle, but it's kind of squared off. I'm never good with my rays, keeping them going the same direction. So there you have it, the buttonhole stitch. Give it a try and let me know how you might use it.